Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove items and accessories from your photos in Gemini. So get your picture, and then you're going to ask Gemini, please remove the hat and sunglasses that the girl is wearing in the picture. And then you're just going to hit the enter here, like this. And I'm just going to wait for this to kind of generate. If it doesn't work, make sure you go to tools and then select create images, but I think Gemini already knows what to do, so you don't have to do that. And as you can see, this is the before and after. I quite like it without the glasses and hat. I don't really like fedoras, no offense to people who like it, but that's how you can remove items and stuff like that in Gemini using AI. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.